Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. We have three issues that we need to discuss this morning. Number one, we had a pretty big rally yesterday in everything, led by the soybean oil and corn, on rumors that the head of the Renewable Fuel Association in Washington was told that Carl Icahn was going to put together a plan that the president was going to approve in some executive order that, number one, would allow E15 to be sold nationwide annually. And while it might not increase the demand for corn ethanol, it did surprise the market. The second thing is that it would produce a producer credit, which limits the amount of imported oil that could come in and be used for biofuel. That might have more long-term impact, especially on the soybean oil market. And overnight, the palm oil market rallied sharply, and so did the Chinese soybean oil futures, and that's helping oil, again, carry over on a higher trade today. The second thing was the president's speech. I think that most people feel that if you're on that side of the aisle, it was one of the best speeches ever made to Congress by a president. Obviously, there was opposition to that speech, but when you look at Hightower's comments this morning, they said that macroeconomic optimism sends safe haven money out of the Treasury. Bulls retain control of the extension of the hope in the equity markets. The positive equity markets means positive dollar action today. Risk on favors the bear camp in gold. And positive definite control of supply and demand is helping the copper market. He also saw that there was an upward trend in crude, but that may not continue given the EIA data today. And for cotton, you've got conflicting things with the strong economic outlook clashing with the strong dollar and the big supply. Also, as far as weather is concerned, U.S. looks warm and dry. We had some pretty severe weather moving across the Midwest yesterday. Hope everybody is safe. And as long as South American weather looks, Brazil showers off and on. We'll see if that has any impact on their logistics. And the Argentina weather should be mostly favorable for crop growing conditions. Funds yesterday, big buyers of beans, oil, corn, and wheat. And the third thing is whether or not we have enough momentum to push over 1080 May beans, 390 May corn, and 480 May wheat given the large supplies. So again, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.